Hey guys, welcome to our brand new Instagram channel. We're thrilled that there's been so much speculation about our new project here at OnePlus. Some have even given it a name. We heard OnePlus Z, OnePlus Lite, and a few have just reduced to calling it the OnePlus thing. Unfortunately, we can't tell you the name just yet. What I can tell you is that this new project represents a new beginning for us. The team has been working around the clock to make this a reality, and we're really excited to tell you all about it. We just have to wait a little bit longer. So stay with us, more to come soon on this Instagram channel. To new beginnings.
Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel More Game Tech, where we discuss various things about smartphone, gaming and technology. It is now confirmed as per our earlier report that the OnePlus newly launched device is not OnePlus Z or OnePlus Lite. It is OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord is the company's upcoming affordable smartphone which went live on yesterday for pre-order booking on OnePlus UK website. And despite its limited pre-orders being live earlier today in selected market, the phone is still largely a mystery. Now the company's co-founder Carl Pei has revealed that it will be powered by Snapdragon 765G SoC, something that has also been confirmed by Qualcomm's UK unit in a tweet. Carl Pei divulged the presence of Qualcomm's mid-range 5G SoC in the Nord in an interview with an online publication. As per report by techradar, Carl Pei confirmed that the OnePlus Nord was powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, is not as powerful as flagship 800 series processor from Qualcomm. It will help to keep the phone's price down without compromising too much on the performance. Including a 5G chipset in the OnePlus Nord is more about ease of mind, Pai told techradar. Talking about the cameras on the OnePlus Nord, Pai said, "We've seen that the camera is probably the most used feature of the smartphone. It's the number one use case, so if we wanted to create a great product, the camera had to be great. With the OnePlus Nord, we are bringing a flagship level camera to a mid-range price phone, which I think consumers are going to really excited by." This suggested that the OnePlus Nord will take cues from the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro in the camera department. As mentioned, almost everything about the OnePlus Nord is a mystery right now. Based on past leaks, however, have suggested the phone will come up with 12GB of RAM option. It can have quad rear camera setup instead of triple rear camera and a dual selfie camera, which is confirmed. Additionally, OnePlus Nord will cost less than $500 as per the UK website, where the phone was up for a pre-order by a pre-order price of €20 has sold out for today. But there will be two more rounds of pre-order, one on July 8 and another on July 15th. The major update is that its official page went live on Amazon India as well in the name of Nord, and it is expected to open for a pre-order from 7th of July. We already made a detailed video about all the specifications depending upon the past leaks. Please watch this video which is showing above in the cards. Also, please stay tuned for more update about this phone and new upcoming launch phone. Have a great day.